I think it's disgraceful with the bleeding Dublin buses. Yeah, I think it's disgraceful. People have to get into work every day and all, and people have to get loose and all. It's bleeding disgraceful. It is. Yeah, they want to start doing something about it and all. Like, I don't know, I have little kids and I have to get to places and all. They just want to do something about it, do something.
We need to find a bus or some way of getting to the airport. I haven't got a clue, don't know where to go, don't know who to ask. So it would be good if the buses were running today, and then I think it would be really, really easy.
We asked the lady information, she said there was no buses running, and then she got a lift, and then they further down the road they picked us up and offered us a lift into town. So that was really nice, and I support the busmen if they're not getting paid enough.
We arrived in Dublin today, and we didn't know there was a strike.
I use the train normally from Blansdown to Dublin, and actually cycled today, so it really doesn't affect me.
We arrived last night not knowing there was a bus strike, and we had to take a taxi from the airport to here, so being budget travellers, that was a bit of an inconvenience.
I was told that they're looking for more money, but why should they be looking for more money when the country's it's a very bad way as it is?
I'm a tourist here in Dublin, and it's unfortunately the buses are not at work, and it's very hard for me to get to different points, and I have to go by tram, and it's very annoying for me.